Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back. I am Sway to the 99, and in today's video, I'm at the Dollar Tree because Easter is officially out, and I'm already freaking out. Check out these gorgeous little garland. These are little garlands in the shape of carrots, little Easter bunnies. This is a must-have. I'm definitely going to be picking this up for my coffee bar. Look at these. These are actually really nice. And for $1.25, this is a really good deal. I'm so excited. Look at all these different designs, including this black and white design. You could do so many things with these things. So I'm going to be grabbing a couple of these for myself. I may grab some for a couple of friends of mine as well. And look at these. What are these? Oh my God. I don't know what they are, but I'm like obsessing over them. These are really nice little molding trays. Okay. I like the colors, and I'm definitely going to love these little spatulas. These are so stinking cute. I'm thinking even if you don't use them for Easter, it's good just to have something like this on a smaller scale. Simply because if you want to scoop out some peanut butter or something that's in the jar that you can't really reach, you can't stick your whole hand in the jar. But yeah, these are so cute. And look at these little candy containers. These are so adorable. I like this little pattern with the truck, and they have ones with the little bunny and of course the wreath. These are perfect for little popcorn if you want to throw candy. Even if we want to do like little baskets for the kiddos at school, that would be a great idea as well. And look at these for these serving trays. Adorable carrots. And then these are it just says Happy Easter, and then they have this one with the little bunny. Dollar Tree, you guys are blowing it away, and I literally just walked into the store, so I'm excited to see everything else that they have. So stick with me, and if you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, welcome back. All right, so let's continue on in the rest of the store. The first thing I'm seeing as you're walking further in is their garland. And of course, if you have, I don't know why they have the paper towels here, but anyway, they have their garland here. I typically stay away from these just simply because I really don't know how to use it without making my decor like feel less I don't want to say cheap, but just less adult-like. I don't know. But let me know how you guys would use it if you want to incorporate it in an adult apartment or adult home. I look at these Happy Easter. These actually really I would get these to hang outside my door just because I feel like, just something festive. And look at these as well. Little bunny. Oh, I have been on the hunt for these. I know a few people have been showing these on Instagram, and these are little prayer boxes. So you make a little prayer and put it inside the little container, as you can see. I don't want to knock it over because it's nicely displayed. They just put things out, so I literally walked in just in time before everything has been picked over. And they have a lot of these soaps. I know people love these during the holidays, and these, you guys, I'm so shocked that they're not sold out already because they are so stinking cute. And I think last week I mentioned how you can actually turn them into an ice cream cone afterwards if you flip them over. And look at these little banners, Easter egg hunt here. Again, I'm really loving this premium, very just upscale vibe that Dollar Tree is giving us this year. And for $1.25, I have to say I'm very happy. I'm very, very happy. So, yes, we did have the price increase, which, nobody likes. However, I think they are making up for it in the quality and in the styles and just the overall merchandise that they're offering. Because for $1.25, you really can't go wrong. Like, look at these gorgeous little fence signs. How stinking cute. Just love the detail on these. And I'm glad that they did not shower them with glitter this year. Because definitely for me, that's definitely something I try to stay away from. And again, love the detail on those. One thing I will say is I'm excited that I found these gnomes. I know that Frugal J actually had called out how unlike the other ones, they're not as full. Like the body is a little thinner. But I'm going to be grabbing these. I'm going to grab all three because I'm going to do an Easter giveaway next week. So if you guys make sure you hit the subscribe button and come back next week because I'm going to be doing a giveaway for my Dollar Tree Easter video. So make sure you come back next week. And let's see, these eggs, I know that these were out here last year. And let's see these little signs again. I think we saw last week. And these are going to sell fast. I know that now that Easter is officially like Easter season's here, people are going to be buying these up. And these are probably my favorite. Again, I love this because it feels very grown up. It also feels very expensive. So it's really something you could have in your apartment or your home, whether you're just an adult or if you have children, like it could work really well with either. And I really also liked the galvanized. It just really makes it pop. And I love these little signs here. Love, hope, and faith. I like that it does, just kind of touch on religion, because obviously Easter is about Jesus. And look at these little gnomes that say welcome. Oh, these are so stinking cute. And I think it's the only one. They all say welcome. So I think there is a second version. So I'm sure I'll probably be seeing it very soon, maybe next week or sooner. But I'll definitely make sure to show you guys everything that I am seeing. I know that we saw a couple of these items last week as well, these little paddle boards. Again, really love the detail, the attention to detail this year on a lot of these items. They're just not just slapping on a logo, but they really are putting a lot more design on these, and including these little eggs. Look at this, just adding the little extra pieces of wood really just gives it a lot more dimension, and really just makes it a lot more interesting than just being a flat surface. So I really like that, that 3D. So even if you wanted to just get fancy by yourself, even if you as an adult wanted to use those, I'm sure you can get really crafty with those. And I love these lights because, again, these definitely give any decor piece a nice little vibrancy, just unexpected feel to them. And I love these as well. This one, I'm not sure if you're supposed to draw something into it. Happy Easter. I think Oh no, with these, the thing fell off. Oh my God, that's hilarious. I really thought that those were you like draw them in yourself. But I don't think I think they just fell. That is stinking funny. Let's see. And look at these. These are little egg-shaped wreaths, and then they have the bunny ears. How adorable are these? You guys, if you hear my voice being a little stuffy, I think I just have allergies. I'm not sick, so don't worry. These, oh my God, I'm so excited about these. I'm going to be grabbing a whole bunch of these because I have so many ideas that I want to do with these. So I'm so happy that my store just got them in, and I'm not going to wait, because I know a lot of times we're like, oh, we'll just wait until next week, or, just kind of thing like, I don't need to buy everything right now. No. When it comes to seasonal, I've learned my lesson is buy it when you see it, because a lot of times stuff will not be back. Again, more of the wooden signs. And I love these. Look at those three shapes right there in these baskets. Again, love the attention to detail. Dollar Tree, you've really knocked it out of the park this year. I'm just so excited. And normally I don't go too crazy for most holidays, but Easter is definitely one of them. And Dollar Tree is giving us so many things that I'm just like, I can't decide what to get. And these, I wish they would have more of, or just different varieties. They have the little welcome sign. Definitely good for, I'm thinking for like the kiddos' rooms, or even just, I don't know, just to have in your backyard. And let's see, like these, I'm not sure how I would use them. I definitely want to use them, in my coffee bar. But I'm just trying to figure out my final aesthetic for the season. The little pom-poms, I feel like you even save those for Christmas time as well. And let's see, all these little chickpeas, not chickpeas, little chickens. Again, they have these little trucks. It says Happy Easter. Again, I'm glad that they didn't overdo it with the glitter, because I'm not a big fan of glitter. I think it cheapens the items. And they did have more of the bunnies, but the brown ones keep selling out. Like, literally, you guys, there's one left again. Like, I'm glad that people leave one so other people can grab some, but the brown ones are just going so fast. So Dollar Tree, pay attention to bring more brown themed items for Easter. And they did bring more of the St. Patrick's designs, or just items for this season. So yeah, these are the little glittery signs. I'm not personally going to decorate for St. Patrick's Day. I don't celebrate it, but if you guys do, they do have these here. And who is not loving these? I love these little cutting boards. Eat it or starve. Something totally a parent would say. And I am in love with these. I feel like these were such a hit last year. I'm glad that they brought out a second size. I know last year we did have this larger size, but I'm glad that they brought this smaller version as well. And I'm really liking these little jars. I feel like it's a nice little detail. And again, it is springtime, so let's not forget organization time is here. And I'm in the process of purging my entire apartment, just clearing out things that I don't need anymore, and just organizing my closet. So just trying to think of ways to organize, and these are definitely cute. One thing I've been seeing on Facebook, sorry, not Facebook, on YouTube, is how people are spray painting them. So if you don't like these colors, you can definitely change the colors just by spray painting them to match your aesthetic, just to match your overall look. But I have to say, personally, I like these colors. I like the vibrancy. I like the just different colors that you don't necessarily have to always go with muted, darker colors, just because I'm a guy. And I'm really excited that they brought more of these little garden things. Again, you guys know that I don't personally have a garden, but I think thinking for that in the summertime where there's really not much of a holiday, I could put these up in my coffee bar just to give it a feel for a garden. Even if I don't necessarily have one, I could put a couple of plants out there in my coffee section and just make it a little more vibrant. Just trying to think of different ways to vibrant up my area. And again, I'm kicking myself for not having a garden because look at these, how beautiful. I'm literally in love with this little bird right here. This is welcome. And again, $1.25. Loved it. I have to say, I really love the quality. And these remind me of the ones they brought last year. They were three signs in one. I think this year they kind of cheapened out and gave us this one. But look at this. Look at this. How beautiful is that? I'm just in love with it. I'm like, next time I move, I need to get a place with a garden. Meet me at the garden gate. Oh, how beautiful. And look at the one with the bell. It says, bless my garden. Yes, amen. Welcome. Oh, so beautiful. And of course, you have your patriotic truck. And let's see. Again, these remind me of the ones they had last year. All things grow with love. Amen. Plant seeds of happiness, kindness, and love. Yes, we all should. We all should. And look at these. I don't know. They're kind of hidden in this wire thing. I was trying to see if I could try to get closer. Okay, maybe not. But you guys get the idea. Yeah, I tried. And look at these. These are also new. It says grow happy. And it says grow with love. That's cute. It doesn't have a drain hole, though, so just keep that in mind. Live life full bloom. Okay, nice. I'm not sure about the black one, though. I feel like they could have made it green. Maybe it's just my opinion. And these I absolutely love. I know so many people do so many amazing things with these, like turn them into bathtubs, obviously use them for planting flowers. And most people definitely color them. They usually color them white and then give it a distressed farmhouse look. And if you guys, I'm thinking, again, this is a great way to add more color or vibrancy into your home. Throw a couple of these little succulents throughout in little corners, even in your bathroom, just to, give it a nice little lively vibe. And I might be doing that for my coffee bar. Yeah, actually, that is not a bad idea. Look at me coming up with some good ideas on the fly. And I think these flags are from last year. I remember seeing them last year with the little gnomes and the flamingo. I actually grabbed this for a friend who is obsessed with flamingos. But I was thinking about other people as I'm shopping. I'm like, oh, what would they like? Or just think about certain items just remind you of certain people. And this reminds me of my bestie in New York who is obsessed with owls. So I may grab that for her. I'm not sure. I know she already has a whole bunch of other stuff I have to send out to her. But anyway, and look at the little polar bear. Aww. And I'm not sure what that is. Is it a penguin? Pepper? Oh, you guys, look at these. Okay, this is what I mean. This is what I mean when I need a garden. Look at these. How cute are they? Oh my God, these are so cute. And I like that they feel like they're like for Easter, but obviously they're for your garden, but they could also work for your Easter area as well. And they have some reefs here. I'm not really sure why. I think somebody got confused and put the reef wires in the gardening section. But yeah, so anyway, I'm just showing you guys what I'm seeing, what is here at my store. So yeah, let's continue on. You guys, these always creep me out, not in a bad way, but just I think of how realistic they look. I mean, it's a little shiny, but I mean, they look pretty real. So if you're a school teacher, you should have this at your desk. I always think of apples and school teachers. I know that's such an old school thing. And look, oh, these jars are gorgeous. Let's see, they have this orange one, this dark blue. Let's see, I know I see another color back there. So I'm just going to grab it and see it. Show you guys all the three different colors they have. And this yellow one. How cute is that? Just put them out in your backyard. Put a little tea light in there. And, just kind of set a mood. And these caught my eye. These are actually styrofoam. How funny is that? I've never kind of done any DIYs with styrofoam where you're painting them. So I'm not sure how well these would take paint. You guys let me know in the comment section if you've painted styrofoam before, something like this. Does it take the paint well? Or do you have to like put many coats? I'm sure you have to use a certain type of paint for something like this. So I don't know. I thought it was interesting. I've never seen these types of frames before. And again, looking for little accent pieces for the home, and these are a perfect way to add color or just add a little dimension to your home or just in a certain area. Throw in a little fake flower or real flower and you'll be set. So really cute. And these also caught my eye. Just these are different colors. Again, just trying to think of ways to spring up my home, and Dollar Tree is giving me tons of ideas. So yeah. And let's see, these are old school style, just a classic. And they restock these. I know a lot of people go crazy for these. They have, oh, this is the Patrick. So they have Patrick, Blue's Clues, Superman. Let's see. I think Wonder Woman is in here somewhere. Yep, there she is. And then, of course, they have the original Disney series. So I would definitely say grab these while you can, because they tend to go really, really fast. So I think I don't need any right now, but always like to see which ones they have and what's new. And these I am obsessed with. Every time I see them, I always buy different ones just because they're just cool and keep you entertained while you're like, you know, waiting for someone, or if you're in a meeting or whatever the case may be. Just a little fidget for yourself or for the kiddos. And speaking for the kiddos, they have more of the cereal. It's like they keep rolling it out. But I have to say, at family size for $1.25 for cereal, you really cannot go wrong. You guys, I know Valentine's just passed, but I did do a video for my coffee bar. I know everyone always wants to see what my coffee bar looks like for each holiday. For Valentine's, I don't go too crazy, so this is what I did for Valentine's. And a quick shout out to Frugal J, who sent me a couple of items, as well as Sally and Deborah, who sent me a few items to include in my coffee bar. So if you guys want to see the actual video of kind of me walking you go through the coffee area as well as my living room area, I will link the video down below. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will be back later this week with extra bonus videos. I promise I have one ready to go. So I will see you later. Have a good one.